berry. I am orange, I am mango, I am watermelon, so very merry. I am pineapple, I am papaya, I am lemon, bright and sweet. I am blueberry, I am kiwi, I am avocado, such a treat. New but funny, fun, so colorful, tasty snacks for me and you. Eat them fresh or in a pie. Fruits are great, give them a try. Hey, I am coconut, I am grape, I am peach and I am date, I am guava, I am pear. Fruit is fun, it's everywhere. I am lychee, I am plum, I am fig and passion fruit. Every fruit is special too. Healthy, yummy, just for you.